Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport finished in black. This 2024 petrol plug-in hybrid comes with a 1.5 litre P300e engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 20-inch diamond turned with gloss mid-silver contrasting alloy wheels. When measuring to the roofline, this car has around 980 litres of usable boot space capacity, which is ideal for those larger items. The parcel shelf is also adjustable and there is an automatic boot close button located up top. Stepping into the back, and we'll find the Light Oyster and Ebony Windsor leather seats with the Light Oyster stitching as well to contrast. Both rear seats do also contain ISOFIX points, and there is a fold down armrest which does contain a storage tray as well as two exposed cup holders. In addition to this, backseat passengers can also utilise their own AC unit with two USB-C charging ports. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the Light Oyster and Ebony interior with the contrasting leather trimmings on the dash and door handles. These seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are fully electrically operated. Here's a closer look at the multifunctional 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel, with controls on the left for the voice control, virtual cockpit and volume, and on the right for the cruise control and heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit has different display options to best suit driver preference. This includes two dial, one dial, and also a satellite navigation view. Speaking of satellite navigation, the main touchscreen infotainment system also includes satellite navigation with the useful shortcuts such as nearby EV fuel stations, and there is also Bluetooth and radio with FM DAB and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left, it will bring up the rear view parking camera to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below the infotainment system, there is two USB-C charging ports and a place to store your phone, as well as a covered tray. The automatic gear selector fits very comfortably in the hand and glides effortlessly through the different gear options. Behind the centre console, you will find two exposed cup holders, and the leather-wrapped armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Discovery Sport. For any more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.